Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Poor Man Eats. Tonight, I got homemade macaroni and cheese my wife made, and cheeseburger steak. Just like I said, it's just a cheeseburger with no bun. Got our ketchup mayo. Yeah, I know it's small. There were three of them in the fridge. I got home just now. This was the only one that was left, the littlest one of all of them. That's alright though. Put our ketchup mayo on there. That's a little bit too much. That's alright. Put a little salt on our mac and cheese. Mm. I've been eating a lot of macaroni and cheese on my channel. For some reason, it just keeps coming up. It's okay, I love macaroni and cheese. As you can tell, who doesn't love macaroni and cheese? Start eating that. See, you just knife and fork it just like a steak. Mmm. Love them. Love my cheeseburger steaks. We usually eat them with chicken flavored noodles and a vegetable. This is my first time having them with macaroni and cheese. Yep, my wife didn't make the kielbasa, so that's why I'm having the cheeseburger steak. She wasn't feeling too good today, so she hasn't been feeling good the last couple of days. Mm. Oh, that's so good. Almost done with our mac and cheese now. Mm. done. If she makes it tomorrow, I'll probably have it kielbasa tomorrow. I don't know what I'll have it with yet. Not sure, but I'll think of something. I might just have it with ramen noodles. Who knows? And so until then, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.